To verify that you have correctly configured push notifications as we saw in the previous chapter, your application has to be compiled and installed on a device. Otherwise, you won't be able to check if they're working. To send the push notification, we access to Push Again, which you will find on the top left of the screen, Campaigns and New Campaign. If you have configured several applications with the same King of App account, you will need to click on Display Data Off and select yours. We check that in this window we have clicked Send Now and we fill in the following data. In Campaign Title, enter the name with which you want to identify your application each time you enter this platform. In Send To, you will be able to classify according to the operating system, Android, iOS or both. We'll leave the rest of the fields unfilled, since they would be for more specific actions, and we go down until we find the button Campaign Messages, which we will click. In this new window, we will write the message we want to show. You have infinite length, but keep in mind that it will be shown in a notification, so try to make it short and concise. That expresses a specific action related to inviting the user to open an app. If you wish, you can also include emojis. We go down to Payload and click on the Android icon, where we will find the title field. Here you can add a text or just one line in length that will precede the content of the message field we filled in earlier. We have an identical field in iOS that we will discover if we click here. When we have our notification ready to send, click on Save Campaign. If the configuration has been correct, your push notification will be sent in less than a minute. The Push Notifications platform offers a wide variety of possibilities. In this chapter, we have only seen how to send a common push notification to all users of our app. This is very interesting when we include some new functionality or the launch of a promotion, or simply when we want to invite them to enter as a periodic action using a funny or striking message. In other courses available at the King of App Academy, you'll learn other ways to take advantage of push notifications.